This is NY Media in the house with a local radio station.
Ebigambirwe omumpaka z'Omworeko gw'ebya sayansi ogubeera St. Michael Senior Secondary School omu Rubirizi ogwetabiremu amashomero 8 garengo gwa senior abwa district ya Bushenya Rubirizi abashazi b'empaka borekere okwesima abwebi bikozirwe abeji.
These are dry orders.
Government into Gishaba ejire wakasente aharubaju abana bita baragume ba excelling Omworeko nk'eki ekiteekateeko kyabo bagumize mu bakito mu nkora rero babone kwinkarejingana n'abandi abakiri enyuma kongera kuba creative and innovative.
People could not easily explain and connect the project to mathematics. To some extent, we would ask somebody, because somebody would explain all on a physics, and we start wondering why the exhibition is not happening in physics.
Abeja betabira mu mpakezi bazokora ibintu bitarimo na radio z'ebyaro, plans za fashion, amaju, ebya science na technology kandi ahantu bamwe bongere kusima government abo curriculum ensya ebaresere.
Tugira ngo twose ibintu bite bitwine umwanya gwitu ebitakwetagamo gura ningaso kuteka muke bikoze by'abazungu. Tugira twose ibintu bite by'ekiraguzi n'umbazo ko kutubaza kukingira na no kutambira ubuzima bwa arsazi.
We decided to make a starlight building and we managed to roof it with a square-based pyramid shape. Why? This is because we need to improve and develop our life skills of creativity and innovation.
Abarugunanzwa abikwa niyo wegeze omu Rubirizi kandi abere bari abagenyi bakuru hariho babuze overhead.
So we are not after the product and what not. We are now seeing if you produce this product, can you quickly and explain those concepts very well? So we are awarding for that. I want to thank majority of you.
Those who have done what others cannot do are the people controlling the money economy of Uganda, particularly those in the private sector. So those things you are beginning with here, let them not end at this level.
Empaka za sayansi amashomero ga senior zebembiremo aba sesamat amakolaga gashabirwe muhozi.